Hi! In front of me is OPPO FIND X3 NEO, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by locating and opening Clock app. Following that, tap on Allow in the pop-up. And after clicking on Alarm section at the bottom left corner, select those three dots at the top right one. Then hit Settings and adjust all of those options however you wish to, like ring duration. When you're done, go back, and to create your alarm, tap on this plus button. Now you can finally set up an hour. If you wish for your alarm to repeat, select Custom option next to Ring Once one and tap on Days of the week that you wish to exclude. So I want to set up Mondays and maybe Fridays. When you are finished, click on Alarm Name. Name your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. And then access ringtone and vibration. Select Allow in the pop-up. And now pick the best option for your incoming alarm. You can use weather adaptive melodies by tapping here. Tap on Spotify and log in to your account to use music from it. Select on this device and tap on any song from your smartphone. Or select one of those system ringtones, like funk. Wherever you decide when you are ready, tap on Vibration section and decide if you want to disable vibrations completely by tapping on No Vibration. Synchronize them with your alarm melody by tapping on Sync with Ringtone. Or apply one of those vibration patterns. When you're done, click on the back button twice. Then tap on Snooze. Manage it thanks to this switcher next to it. And decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Now, after tapping on the back button, you can finally save your new alarm by tapping on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the blue switcher next to it and selecting one of those options. And turn it back on by clicking on the same, now grey one. Lastly, to disable your alarm completely, you can change whatever you wish to. And then save your changes by tapping on this check mark, or delete it by holding it and choosing Delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!